In this video, I'm going to show another issue that we have up here by the ear. Everything looks to be okay, but if I turn on my subdivision surface modifier, you notice how all these edges stayed really sharp. So there's something wrong there. If I turn on backface calling, now I can see through this polygon right here. So that means that the normal on that polygon is flipped. So if we select that face and hit Shift N, now you notice how that smoothed out. And you can't see through it anymore. Now, I do also notice that we have a triangle and a triangle. So one of the things that we could do, we'll have to see how it looks. We can dissolve that edge. Yeah, if we do that, then it looks much better. Yeah, that'll be good for sculpting. Not too worried about this triangle right here. We might do something with it later. But I wanted to point out, watching out for flipped normals, normals that are inverted. Another thing that you can do too is if you turn the normals on here, you can crank this up a little bit and you see how each face normal, which shows the direction that each face is facing, it will come out in the direction that the face is pointed. So if one of these goes inside the mesh, then that polygon is flipped inside out. And again, the way to fix that, you can hit Shift and N with it selected. Just wanted to show that real quick. Thank you.